How well do you know bats? They've been called creepy, scary, and spooky, but bats are an important species that impact our daily lives in ways we might not even realize. Bats are heroes of the night. Check out some interesting bat facts. There are over 1,400 species of bats worldwide. The United States and Canada are home to about 45 species of bats, and additional species are found in the U.S. territories in the Pacific and Caribbean. Not all bats hibernate. Even though bears and bats are the two most well-known hibernators, not all bats spend their winter in caves. Some bat species, like the spotted bat, survive by migrating in search of food to warmer areas when it gets chilly. Bats have few natural predators. Disease is one of the biggest threats. Owls, hawks, and snakes eat bats, but that's nothing compared to the millions of bats dying from white nose syndrome. The disease, named for a white fungus on the muzzle and wings of bats, affects hibernating bats. This deadly syndrome has decimated certain species more than others. It has killed over 90% of northern long-eared, little brown, and tricolored bat populations in fewer than 10 years. Without bats, say goodbye to bananas, avocados, and mangoes. Over 300 species of fruit depend on bats for pollination. Bats help spread seeds for nuts, figs, and cacao, the main ingredient in chocolate. Night insects have the most to fear from bats. Each night, bats can eat their body weight in insects, numbering in the thousands. This insect-heavy diet helps foresters and farmers protect their crops from pests. Bats are the only flying mammal. A bat's wing resembles a modified human hand. Imagine the skin between your fingers larger, thinner, and stretched. This flexible skin membrane that extends between each long finger bone and many movable joints make bats agile flyers. Bats are inspiring medical marvels. About 80 medicines come from plants that rely on bats for their survival. While bats are not blind, studying how bats use echolocation has helped scientists develop navigational aids for the blind. Research on bats has also led to advances in vaccines.